Today we are going to learn about angles. Look at the first figure. There's a straight line here. Angles on a straight line. Here we'll name it as AB. On AB straight line there are three angles, X, Y, Z. These three angles added up to 180. We'll name it as angle X plus angle Y plus angle Z equals 180 degrees. That is the first figure. It tells us angles on a straight line. This AB straight line added up to 180. Angle X plus angle Y plus angle Z equals 180. Second figure, look at the second figure. Angles at a point is the point. Angles at a point added up to 360 degrees. We'll name it this as P, Q, R. Angle P plus Q plus R equals 360 degrees. That is angles at a point. This first figure, angles on a straight line, that's added up to 180. Second figure, angles at a point added up to 360. Then if we know two angles of this straight line, we'll think X equals 25 degrees and this Z equals Z angle equals 50 degrees. Then angle X you already know 25 degrees plus angle Z equals 25 degrees plus angle Z equals 60 degrees. We are going to find the angle Y. These two added 85 degrees. Then we have to take away 85 degrees from 180 degrees. Then that is 5 here, 0 take away 5. Then 17, 95 degrees. Angle Y equals 95 degrees. That is the way we can find out the value of an angle. When it comes to second figure, if we know the angle, this is Q angle, that is 140 degrees. R angle is 120 degrees. We need to find out value of angle P. Then angle Q 140 degrees plus angle R 120 degrees. All these two added 260 degrees. Then we need to take away 260 degrees from 360 degrees. That is angle P equals 100 degrees. Value of angle P is 100 degrees. Now we'll move to the third figure. There are two straight lines. We'll name it as D, E, F. D, E, F angle. There are two straight lines meet together in a angle of 90 degrees. We call it as a right angle. Right angle. In a right angle, value is 90 degrees. The angle is D, E, F. D, E, F angle equals to 90 degrees. That's a right angle. Look at the fourth figure. There are two straight lines. We'll name it as X, Y, Z. X, Y line and Y, Z line meets together in an angle that is less than 90 degrees. Look at this angle, that is 90 degrees. This is less than 90 degrees. We call it as an acute angle. That is less than 90 degrees. Look at the fifth figure. We'll name it as P, Q, R. P, Q and Q, R. Two straight lines meet together in an angle that is more than 90 degrees. Here the 90 degrees, this is less than 90 degrees. This is more than 90 degrees. P, Q, R. P, Q, R, that is more than 90 degrees, we name it as an obtuse angle. Obtuse angle. First figure, these angles falls on a straight line that is added up to 180. In this figure, angles at a point, all the angles added up to 360 degrees. This is 80. In third figure, that means in 90 degrees, we name it as a right angle. These two lines meet together and make a angle that is less than 90 degrees. We name it as acute angle. This is more than 90 degrees when we name this as obtuse angle.